Hello, today I will be reviewing the Speedball Block Printing Kit. So let's open up and see what's inside. This was actually a present. My mom got it for me from this place that's going out of business near work. And inside there's this weird thing that I guess is to cut the block, but I'm not exactly sure how. Some black water-soluble ink. And then there's one of those painting rolly things. I'm not exactly sure what it's called. And I love these things. And then, of course, a rubber block to carve. And so now I'm just trying to figure out how to use this thing. I sincerely have no idea what to do with this. And I can tell there's something inside. Like every time I shake it, there's noise. And I finally figured out how to do it. It took me a while, but there's something inside of it. I'm not exactly sure. And there are these little blades, I guess, to carve with. I'm not exactly sure how to put it on the other end, but at least we have all the pieces at this point. And they're all different shapes and sizes. And then now I'm just trying to put it in. I have no idea how to put it in. And so now I'm sketching out what I want to carve. I want to do this character that I've been drawing a lot lately. It's just a little character with long black hair and little barrettes. I just drew a line at the bottom because that's where I want to cut the block to make it a smaller piece. And I'm just coloring all the parts that I want to keep. All of the parts that I colored in are supposed to be black and therefore should stay. That way when I put the ink on it, that's what gets imprinted on the paper. I'm making sure to leave a little space in between everything so there's contrast. And hopefully the actual carving is much neater. And now time to figure out how to use the actual carving tool. So I figured out, and I'm just going to do a time lapse of me carving because it takes a really long time to carve. And I swear, like, it took me a couple hours to film this. So I'm just trying to get it as neat as possible, trying to get all the little kinks out, and I'm just going to cut it out. And other thing, so I already put the ink on the little block, but when I filmed it, it got cut out of the picture, so I'm not showing it. And here it is. Except that I thought that it would look a lot better if the background wasn't black. So I carved out that whole area. And now you'll get to see me put the ink on it. And so I just put the little ink on and I spread it around with the paint rolly thingy. I should really learn what that's called. Now I'm just going to put that off to the side. And all I have to do is put this underneath the paper that I want to print it on and push it on. And there we go. Please like if you think that the characters are cute. And that's all for today. Bye.